Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to share some VS Code extensions and settings for you that I used for app development. So here is some extensions that I used. That is a Dart and Flutter are the basic ones to work in Flutter, and next one is error lens. Error lens help to highlight the errors or warnings. So I have already installed this one, so if I remove this, so it will give me all the errors because of this missing bracket. And so I removed the semicolon and it's saying expected to find a semicolon. So this is the best one to help to highlight the errors in your code. So next one is the material icon theme. So this is the best that it gives the icons to every folder and files. So you can see here every folder and files has a beautiful icon. So this is because of this material icon theme. And one Dark Pro. So this is a theme extension. This is the best one I used always, and you can change the theme as you can see. One Dark Pro, darker, flat, mix, night flat. So I used mostly darker or flat, sometimes pro. So this is the best, and it also changed the colors of the code and the theme of the VS Code. And next one is the prettier code formatter. So it will help to format the code automatically. So you can see here this my code is formatted. So if I do this, and if I save this one, it will auto format. So as you can see, the code is auto formatted in a beautiful lines. So this is because of the I am using this prettier. So these are the extensions that I used, and there is some settings that have to enable or save these settings to best app development experience. So as you can see, these indent line or widget tree lines in the dashed lines. So this help to structure your code. So you can see here, it will connect the code, and it creates a great hierarchy or widget tree. So this is because of the Dart UI. So you have to enable this Dart preview filter UI guides. So mostly users or viewers asked me in the comment with how to enable or how to do this. So this is the one for you. And there are some other settings which is auto save. So you have to after delay or after on focus change, but I do this after delay. It will auto save the code when you write, and it will auto save the code in auto save format. So format on save. So whenever you will save manually, it will format the code because of the prettier extension. And there is some other zoom. So mouse wheel zoom the font of the editor when using mouse wheel and holding command. So this is also good one. Hard reload on save. So you have to enable this. So whenever you save, it will automatically hard reload. So whenever you save the application or code, it will automatically hard reload. So this is the best one. And there are some other basic settings, that is for font size, that you can change on your requirement. So that's all the some VS Code extensions and settings that I used, and I prefer to use these ones. So that's all for today. Thank you.